What if you could make people like you, trust you, and listen to you just by changing a few simple habits? In this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie teaches easy but powerful rules that can change your life. These ideas help you make better friends, improve work relationships, and become more successful in life. Let's begin. This book is about how to understand people and build strong relationships. Carnegie says success in life is not only about money or skills, it is also about how you treat other people. The first important idea is do not criticize, complain, or blame others. When you criticize someone, they usually become angry or defensive. Instead, try to understand them. Everyone thinks they are right from their point of view. Next, Carnegie says, give honest appreciation. People love to feel valued. A small thank you or kind word can make someone feel important, but it must be real, not fake. Fake praise does not work. Another key idea is show real interest in other people. If you want friends, you must be a good listener. Ask questions about their life, their work, and their dreams. When people feel you care about them, they naturally like you more. Carnegie also teaches smile more often. A smile is a simple thing, but it can change how people feel about you. It shows kindness and warmth, even without words. He also says, remember a person's name. A person's name is very important to them. When you remember and use their name, they feel respected and special. Another lesson is do not argue with people. Even if you are right, an argument often makes people upset. Instead, try to understand their opinion and find common ground. Carnegie also explains how to influence people gently. Do not force them. Instead, talk about what they want and show how your idea can help them. People like to feel it is their own decision. Finally, he says, make the other person feel important. Everyone wants respect. When you treat people with kindness and respect, they will naturally like you and trust you. The main message of this book is simple. If you want to win friends, do not try to control people. Instead, understand them, respect them, and be kind. Small changes in your behavior can bring big changes in your relationships, your work, and your life.